He's tested that for him, yeah, isn't it?
Which one?
The Xbox.
Yeah.
Works alright, huh?
Yeah, we're going to do this unboxing thing.
Yeah.
And see what's in it.
Most of the packaging, what's in it? We need to get these cardboard things off.
Too much junk. What's that?
Tablet up to keep it fresh and smelling nice. No.
PlayStation 3 game inside.
Better than that.
PlayStation 3 inside, and I've got a bloody Xbox.
It's so wrong.
There's a one in there. You might give us a PlayStation version and
You might get an
Xbox.
Android, it's like upside down those you like rolling crap up.
Ta-ta-da-da. It's PlayStation. It's PlayStation version.
Ooh, cool.
Shit, well, let's see.
Xbox, will
You can always play with helicopter though, isn't it? How did they bloody open the thing? Is that front? Yeah.
It is. Toolbox. Well, it's a
Ba-ding.
box. Ba-ding.
Ba-ding.
Bang!
Ba-boom.
The great explosion. Do it like on Saturday, they do this.
Is this the Xbox one?
Yeah. I doubt it. And you go like that, and then they go like that, don't they?
There's no game in it though.
No. Oh my god.
2 dodgy coins.
What's this about?
I think that'll be remote control for F-Locter. Oh, bloody hell.
Yeah, there's the helicopter, yeah.
It's in here, helicopter, I think.
It's the biggest thing in there, isn't it?
What it says, well,
It's big on that, but it's
we'll have bloody Xbox version game and an empty box with no bloody helicopter in it.
helicopter which can only be played by an Xbox 360.
Oh, look what I found.
No, see, look, what are you
Go on,
doing
pull
there?
it.
Hooray.
Got a full
And that's the
helicopter.
only reason he bought it, he doesn't even play games. Do you remember?
No, I've got it wrong. That's why I got the Xbox, the PlayStation version. I've got a bloody Xbox. Never mind, we've got an helicopter. Yay!
Oh, of course it would be. Well, it's safety issue, you know.
It's proper cast
I
iron.
thought that'd be like top plastic, but this behind slightly.
It's proper cast iron, isn't it?
That plasticky feel and stuff.
Lock it on there. Where's batteries then?
Yeah, so that was included, isn't it? Yeah, you know there, in the secret compartment.
That's there.
No.
Repairing it. I probably will need to bloody repair it after.
Wait a minute, is that open? Oh, you've got something in.
Oh, no batteries.
Oh, you're right.
I bet they're in here, but
Yeah. The control, that will be the controls.
this is the most messed up bloody unboxing video I've ever seen.
There's a battery
Oh, look.
in here.
In fact, I've got some batteries.
Hey, batteries came first, there you have it.
Some,
There you have it.
yay! What's that do?
It tells you how to
Like
work
Call of
it,
Duty,
doesn't it?
it's easy to play, but hard to master. No shit, Sherlock.
You got a big book there about the helicopter. Well, it shows everything, I think, yeah.
Yay! Hey, what else do we get anyway? Ta-da. Ta-da. And there's some magic codes or something on the back of these coins that when you stick them into your Xbox, PlayStation, you get some DLC. So I'm going to stick them on YouTube so everybody can copy them.
Well, we would say the side of it, wouldn't we?
Yeah.
Americans say it's the top of the coin, but really it's the side of the coin for you English people out there.
Right. English people here as well, though. Ah, let's bloody sort this. I would just sort this helicopter out, or I would to install the PlayStation version.
You should install your stuff because you'll be looking
On
for
bloody Xbox.
It's up to you.
That'll work well, won't it?
More than the game.
Ha ha ha.
It's an odd choice, I know, actually.
I know, I'd get rid of this bloody Xbox thing for the start. Stick it in there. I'll pull this one out, a little diddly PlayStation. Ha ha. So I'll use lot posting in saying ha ha fail back. Toodle doodle, have fun.